Oh, so basically I chant the Sanskrit and
Yeah, because these kids, not today, I think our regular kids are still not there. Maybe they went to the temple. So now,
oh,
like Govind is, like I think 6-year-old,
mm,
and Dhruva is
Mataji
also,
Balabrinda is there.
mm,
yeah, and Dhruva is also new.
mm. Okay, so we'll start.
Yes, Mataji.
2 minutes. Okay. So little kids, thank you all so much for joining our Govinda class. And today, what are we celebrating?
Advent of Gita Lord.
Wow. Anyone else knows the answer? Besides,
Birthday of Gita.
very good, Balavrinda. Correct. Anyone else also wants to say the answer along with Balavrinda?
Khushi, go ahead.
Come on, Dhruva, Kushi, Isha. See, your teacher Sita Priti Mataji is also there. You can unmute and speak freely. Startled.
Hi, Krishna Mataji. I don't know what's happening because I just joined.
Oh, okay. I'm asking you what I'm celebrating today. Balavrinda told the correct answer, but I want to hear from you all. Tulsi Manjari is raising her hand. Can you unmute and tell what are we celebrating?
Can I say, Mataji?
Yeah. Yes, Tulsi.
It's the advent of Bhagavad Gita.
Perfect. It's the advent of the Bhagavad Gita. Question. Anyone can unmute and answer. Who spoke the Bhagavad Gita?
Me, Mataji.
Huh?
Khushi.
Who spoke the Bhagavad Gita?
Arjuna.
Krishna spoke to Arjuna.
Krishna spoke to Arjuna.
I'm so fast.
And Kushi again recited the Bhagavad Gita, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Which place was the Bhagavad Gita spoken?
Kurukshetra.
Thank you, Balavrinda. Kurukshetra. Okay, one more question. Who heard the Bhagavad Gita?
Arjuna.
Arjuna, very good. Who relayed the Bhagavad Gita to Dhritarashtra in the palace?
Sanjaya.
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 Very good. How many, this is a tough question. Let's not do that. Who fought the war? The two armies' names you have to tell me.
Pandavas and Kauravas.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Question. Did Krishna fight the war?
No.
No.
No. Okay. What was Krishna's role in the war?
Charioteer.
Charioteer. Very good. How many years before was the Bhagavad Gita spoken? Approximately
5,000 years.
5,000 years ago. Very good. Battlefield of Kurukshetra. So was the Bhagavad Gita spoken before the war or after the war?
After.
Before.
Before the war.
How many of you choose before? How many after?
Before.
Before? Everyone is before? Okay. Very good. Good. So how many chapters are there in the Bhagavad Gita?
18.
18.
18. Very good. And how many verses are there in the Bhagavad Gita?
700.
700 verses. Okay, good. So the Bhagavad Gita is divided into 3 sections. Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Suraj, welcome. Suraj, okay. Listen, how many the Bhagavad Gita is divided into 3 sections. Okay. They are divided into 3 different sections. Each of these sections is named as one yoga. Do you know what the first 6 chapters are named as? What yoga is named as?
No, Mataji.
Okay, you can take a guess. There are 4 yogas you know of, right? Karma yoga, Jnana yoga, Bhakti yoga, Ashtanga yoga. So the first 6 chapters, which constitutes the first section of the Bhagavad Gita, what is it called as? What are these chapters called as? Any guesses? You can.
Mataji, I can't hear because of the background.
Karma yoga.
Karma yoga, yes. Very good. The middle sections are called as what yoga? The middle 6 chapters.
Mataji, what were you saying again? Stop.
Yeah, so we just heard that the Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters and it is divided into 3 sections. The first 6 chapters are called as Karma Yoga, the middle 6 chapters are called as Bhakti Yoga, and the final 6 chapters are called as
Mataji, is it Jnana Yoga?
Jnana Yoga. Very good.
Bhakti yoga.
Jnana Yoga. Okay, so now in the middle section, we have the 12 chapters. So Sita Priti Mataji has assigned me a task. So she has told me that I would lead the 12 chapters. Is that right, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, you lead and then they can repeat after you.
Okay, I will lead and then you will repeat after me. Okay. Atha dvadashodhyayah. Arjuna uvacha evam satat. The whole verse, Mataji, or line by line? How should I do it?
Line by line, Mataji, because I see Isha, Govind, who are younger ones, Drubha, so they will need a little bit assistance.
Yeah. Okay. So listen, kids, it's very important to recite the Bhagavad Gita, because just by reciting a few lines of the Bhagavad Gita, one attains a lot of spiritual benefit. Okay. It's very, very potent. These verses were directly spoken by Krishna. So when you recite the same sound vibrations that was spoken by Krishna, it is extremely potent, very potent. Okay. There are many true stories from the Gita Mahatmya that talk about the potency of these verses. So concentrate nicely. This one day, if you can recite a few verses, that will be brilliant. Okay. You can repeat after me. Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna Vacha.
Evam satata yuktaye.
Evam
Evam
satata
satata yuktaye
Bhakta swam paryupasate.
tasvam paryupasate
Ye chapi aksharam avyaktam.
yaksharam avyaktam
Tesham ke yoga vittama.
yoga vittama.
Translation, Mataji, or next? Next.
Tulsi Manjari, can you read the translation?
Me, Mataji?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Arjuna inquired, which are considered to be more perfect, those who are always properly engaged in your devotional service, or those who worship the impersonal Brahman, the unmanifested?
Stop, no.
Yes, Mataji.
Shri Bhagavanu Vacha.
Shri Bhagavan
Bhagavanu vacha
Maya Vishamano Yeyam.
Vesha Manoya.
Nitya Yukta Upasate.
upasate
Shraddhaya Paryopetas.
Shraddhaya paryopetas
Teme Yukta Tamamataha.
tatamamataha.
Balavrinda, can you read the translation?
Okay, Mataji. The Supreme Personality of God then said, those who fix their mind on my
personal,
form and are always engaged in worshipping me with great and transcendental faith and
are
or
considered.
or consider me to be most perfect.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Balavinda. Yes, Mataji.
ये त्वाक्षरमनिर्देश्यम्
ये त्वाक्षरामनिर्देश्यम्
अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते
अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते
सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च
तत्वतरम् अचित्यं च
कूटस्थम् अचलं ध्रुवम्.
कुतस्तमकलं ध्रुवम्.
Everyone can unmute and try, okay? Sanyamindriyagramam
तनीयमिन्द्रियग्रामम्
सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः
सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः
ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव
ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव
सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
Dhruva, can you read the translation?
Okay, but those who fully worship the unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of the senses, the all-pervading, unconceivable, unchanging, fixed, and immovable, the personal conception of the absolute truth, by controlling the various senses and being equally disposed to everyone. Such persons engage in the welfare of all, at least achieve me.
Thank you, Dhruva. Yes, Mataji.
क्लेशादिकतरस्तेषाम्
क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम्
अव्यक्तसाक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्तसक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम्
देवाब्धेरवाप्यते.
देहवद्भिरवाप्यते.
Isha, can you read the translation? Unmute yourself, Isha.
Yes, Mataji. For those
Whose minds?
whose minds are attracted to unpresent, importal, unpresent, impressionable
Feature of the Supreme.
feature of the supreme
Advancement is very troublesome.
advancement is very
Troublesome.
troublesome.
To make
To make
progress
progress
in
in
that
the
discipline,
disciple is
in that
always
discipline,
difficult and always difficult for those who are
embodied.
embodied.
Thank you, Isha. Yes, Mataji.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि
मयि सन्न्यासमत्पराः
मयि सन्न्यास्य मत्परः
अनन्यैव योगेन
अनन्येनैव योगेन
मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता
मृत्युसंसारसागरात्
मृत्युसंसारसागरात्
भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ
भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ
मयि अवेशितचेतसम्.
मयि अवेशितचेतसाम्.
Suraj, can you read the translation? And I want Suraj, I want your voice. I don't want you to see down. You're going to look at the screen and start reciting along with Mataji, okay?
Okay.
But those who worship me, yeah, giving up all their activities onto me and being devoted to me without deviation, engage in devotional service and always meditating upon me, yeah, having fixed their minds upon me, O son of Pritha, for them I am as a swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death.
Thank you so much, Suraj. Yes, Mataji.
मय्येव मन आधष्ट्वा
मयि एव मना अधस्त्वा
मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय
मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय
निवसिष्यसि मयि एव
निवसिष्यसि मयि एव
अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः
अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः
Govind. Hi Krishna, Govind.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hi Krishna. Can you read or you want to repeat after me?
I want to repeat after you because at my side it's not coming.
Okay, no worries. Okay, repeat after me. Just fix your mind.
Okay.
Just repeat. Just fix your mind
Just fix your mind
upon me,
upon me,
the Supreme Personality
the Supreme Personality
of Godhead,
of Godhead,
and engage
and engage
all your intelligence
all your intelligence
in me.
in me.
Thus you will live
That's who will live
in me always
always
without a doubt.
without a doubt.
Thank you, Govind.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yes.
Where is everyone? There's not that much people in this classroom.
There are, yeah, but I think they are, they are coming
They're
on
just
video.
not on the video.
Yeah, they're not on video. Come on video. And I want everybody to repeat after Mataji, okay? See, her pronunciations are so very good. You will all learn once you repeat after her, okay? Samskriti can come on video. Everybody else can come on video. No matter if you're having your dinner, okay? Come on video. That gives a very nice sense for everyone. Yeah, Mataji.
अथ चित्तं समाधातुं
अत चित्तं समादातुं
न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम्
न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम्
अभ्यासेन ततो
Abhyasya
ततो
धनञ्जय
मामि चापि धनञ्जय.
Advait, can you read the translation, please?
Okay, Mataji. My dear Arjuna, O winner of wealth, if you cannot fix your mind upon me without deviation, then follow the regulative principles of Bhakti Yoga. In this way, develop a desire to attain me. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Advait. Yes, Mataji.
अभ्यासेऽपि असमर्थोऽसि
अभ्यासेऽपि असमर्थोऽसि
Not in this book.
परमो भव
मत्कर्मा परमो भव
मदर्थमपि कर्माणि
कर्माणि
कुर्वन् सिद्धिम् अवाप्स्यसि
पूर्वं सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि.
Samskriti, can you read the translation, please?
Yes, Mataji. If you cannot practice the regulations of Bhakti Yoga, then just try to work for me, because by working for me, you will come to the perfect state.
Very good. Thank you, Samskriti. Yes, Mataji.
तदपि असक्तोऽसि
अथैनोऽप्यसक्तोऽसि
कर्तुम् मद्योगमाश्रितः
कर्तुमद्योगमाश्रितः
सर्वकर्मफलत्यागम्
सर्वकर्मफलत्यागम्
तत कुरु यतात्मवान्
Tathakuru
Yatmavam.
Abhiram, can you read the translation? Unmute yourself and read the translation, please. Unmute yourself, beta. You can unmute, Abhiram. Yes.
If, however, you are unable to work with this consciousness of me, then try to act giving up all results of your work and try to be self-situated.
Thank you so much, Abhiram. Good to see you, Abhiram. Im.
Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat.
Shreyo hi jnanamabhyasat.
Jnanadhyanam visishyate.
Jnanadhyanam vishishyate.
Dhyanat karma phalatyagas.
Dhyanat karma phalatyagas.
Yagat shantiranantaram.
Yagat shantiranantaram.
Kabir, can you read the translation, please?
If you cannot take to this practice, then engage yourself in the cultivation of knowledge. Better than knowledge, however, is meditation, and better than meditation is renunciation, the fruits of action, for by such renunciation one can attain peace of mind.
Very good. Thank you so much, Kabir.
Advishta sarvabhutanam.
Adveshta sarvabhutanam.
Graha karuna eva cha.
Maitra karuna eva cha.
Nirmamo nirahankaraha.
Nirmamo nirahankaraha.
Samadukha sukha kshami.
Samadukha sukha kshami.
Santushtaha satatam yogi.
Santushta
satatam
yogi.
yogi.
Yatatma dhrishyaha.
Yatatma nishchayah.
Mayarpita bhuttir.
Mayarpitano buddhir.
Yo madbhaktah same priyaha.
Madbhaktah samekta.
Khushi, can you read the translation?
One who is envious,
Not envious.
but is a kind friend to all living entities, who does not think himself a proprietor and is free from false ego, who is equal to both happiness and distress, who is tolerant, always satisfied, self-controlled, and engaged in this devotional service with determination, his mind and intelligence fixed on me. Such a devotee of mine is very dear to me.
Wonderful. Thank you, Khushi. It's good to see you, Khushi. Yeah, Mataji. Haribol.
Yasmat no dvijate loko.
Yasmano dvijate loko.
Lokano dvijate chayaha.
Lokano dvijate chaya.
Harsham rasham bhayodha.
Harshamarsa vipayodvegaya.
Mukto yasa cha me priyaha.
Samskriti, can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. He by whom no one is put into difficulty and who is not disturbed by anyone, in happiness, distress, fear, anxiety
is very dear to me. Yeah, Mataji.
Anapekshah shuchirdaksha.
Anapekshah shuchirdaksha.
Udasino gatavyataha.
Udasino gatavyataha.
Sarvarambha parityagi.
Sarvarambha parityagi.
Yo madbhaktah same priyaha.
Yo madbhaktah same priyaha.
Baluvinda, can you read the translation?
Read it. Translation.
Okay, Mataji. My devotees who is not dependent on the
Ordinary.
ordinary course of activities, who is the pure expert without cares, free from pain and not striving from the
Some
same
result.
some
Results.
results is very dear to me.
Okay. Thank you, Baluvinda. Yes, Mataji.
Yo na hashyati na dveshti. Na shochati na kankshati.
Sochati na kankshati.
Shubhashubha parityagi.
Shubha parityagi.
Bhaktimanya same priyaha.
Bhaktimanya same priyaha.
Karthik, are you there? Hi, Krishna Karthik. Are you there? Okay, Radhika.
Mataji, it's Radharani Mataji.
Yeah, there is one more Radhika also. I had thought that so, but now Radharani Mataji is also there and one more Radhika is there. So I thought it is
Oh, okay,
Karthik.
you are there. Okay, okay, okay.
Ah, okay.
Maybe
Govind,
she
can you?
joined from 2 devices. I don't know.
Okay. Karthik, Govind, can you repeat after me?
Okay, Mataji.
One who neither rejoices
One rejoices,
nor grieves,
no grieves,
who neither
who neither
laments
laments,
nor desires,
nor desires,
and who
and who
pronounces
pronounces
both
both
auspicious
auspicious
and inauspicious
and auspicious
things,
things,
such a devotee
that a devotee
is very dear to me.
is very dear to me.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Govind.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari.
Samaha shatru cha mitre cha.
Samashatrau cha mitre cha.
Tata manapamanayoho.
Tatha panapamanayoho.
Itoshna sukha dukkeshu.
Chitoshna sukha dukeshu.
Samaha sangha vivarjitaha.
Samasanga vivarjitaha.
Tulya nindastutir mauni.
Tulya ninda stutir mauni.
Santushto yena kenachit.
Santushto yena kenachit.
Aniketah sthiramatir.
Aniketa sthiramatir.
Bhaktiman me priyo naraha.
Bhaktiman me priyo naraha.
Tulasi Manjari, can you read the translation, please?
Yes, Mataji. One who is equal to friends and enemies, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from contaminating association, always silent and satisfied with anything, who doesn't care for any residence, who is fixed in knowledge, and who is engaged in devotional service. Such a person is very dear to me. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah.
The final verse, okay? So this is an opportunity for everyone to recite, and then we're going to cook something yummy for Ekadashi.
Pizza.
Pizza, yeah. I'm excited. Okay, so last verse, give it your best shot. Okay. Yetu dharmamritam idam. Yatoktam paryupasate. Shraddhadana matparama. Bhaktaste ativa me priya.
Very good. Advait, can you read the translation, please?
Those who follow this imperishable path of devotional service and those who completely engage themselves with faith, making me the supreme goal, are very, very dear to me. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good.
Now pizza time. Sitavriti Mataji.
Ekadashi pizza. Radharani Mataji.
Pizza time.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. We are so very
Thank you,
grateful.
Mataji, for this unexpected opportunity. Thank you.
So nice. Kids are really, really lucky.
Oh, thank you, Mataji.
Radharani Mataji is the co-host? No. Can I make who can make her co-host?
Mataji, already I posted the ingredients here in the chat.
Yeah, Radharani Mataji should become the co-host, or how is it?
No need, Mataji. Usually it's needed if you can make it, but sometimes even I don't make also is okay. Because she doesn't share anything, right?
Yeah, I'll ask her to start video. Radharani Mataji, are you there? Haribol?
Yes, Mataji, I'm there. I'm sorry.
So nice to see you, Mataji. Haribol.
Thank you, Mataji. Same here. Nice to see you.
You don't put on weight, huh? You don't put on weight at all. You make so yummy, but you don't put on weight at all.
No, in videos it is like that, Mataji. Nothing like that.
We looking at the dish also, we will put on weight.
Yeah.
Haribol, Mataji.
Yeah,
Happy
sure.
Easter.
Thank you, Mataji.
What we are making.
Mataji, what we are making?
Today we are making muffins pizza, Ekadashi muffins pizza. Okay, I'll show how it came out. 1 second. I'll just bring those. Okay. They are in this way. I just took it out, Mataji. So we'll make like this, okay?
Wow, this is so yummy.
Yeah.
Let's start making it. Okay, for that, just take one mixing bowl, okay? So we need boiled potatoes. And so whatever veggies you have, you can use, okay?
Mataji, if we did not have boiled potato, we can skip, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah, however, you're using
Boiled
some
potato
flour, right? So you can skip that, yeah. Okay. So I just have some colored peppers. I'm just using those, okay? So if you have anything, you can use like cabbage, bell pepper, and some chili flakes, salt, baking soda. And we need some buttermilk for this, okay? I just made the yogurt mixing with water. It came in this way, okay? This is called buttermilk. And some cheese we need. We need cheese. Yeah, we need some oil also. And the flour, whatever Ekadashi flour you have, you can use that. So let's start making it. So first let's add 1/4 cup of oil in the mixing bowl. And then take 1 cup of cheese. In that, add some baking soda, like half teaspoon, like 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is teaspoon, okay? And some salt as per the taste. You can just adjust. Later also, if you want, you can add it. I'm just adding little bit. And but because we'll add flour also. So based
So 1
on
cup, what did you put, Mataji? 1 cup of
that, cheese, Mataji.
cheese and then salt, baking soda.
Baking soda.
Okay, so
First
Mataji
oil,
is
Mataji.
salt, cheese, and baking soda, right?
I just add oil, first oil, any oil. So cheese, salt, and baking soda. Till now, I added those 4 ingredients. And we need, okay, some chili flakes. You can add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Now you need to add some ketchup. If you want, you can skip this part. If you want, you can just add some tomato puree and some salt in this, at this place, okay? And then mix everything. My tomato ketchup is there. I'll add it later, okay? And now add like 1/4 cup of buttermilk. So this is a measurement of 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Mix it. Now take your potatoes. Smash them. Just in a fine paste, like how totally you can smash it. You just smash the potatoes so that it mix everything with the cheese and the buttermilk, okay? And now add whatever the veggies you want, you can just add them, okay? I'm just adding some color peppers, red pepper, green pepper, and have some orange. You can grate the carrot and you can add this. These all just for the taste and for the look wise. I'm just adding some cabbage.
Mataji, sorry, Mataji. So oil, cheese, salt, baking soda, and then you are putting all the veggies in, right, Mataji now?
Chili flakes, Mataji. Chili flakes. And
veggies.
ketchup, if you have ketchup, or tomato puree, you can add. If you add some tomato puree, you can add some sugar.
Okay.
And then all the veggies, whatever veggies you have. In between, you have to add buttermilk also, Mataji.
Mataji, any herbs?
Sorry, I could not hear you.
Any herbs, I asked.
No, Mataji. Just chili flakes.
Okay.
So you'll get in this way. Now you can add flour. I'm just using buckwheat flour. So how much was that? I don't know. Maybe 1 cup. In the meanwhile, if you want, you can on your oven. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just looking the buckwheat, how much I used. Yeah, it's 1 cup. Okay, I'm just adding little. Here you don't need any water.
How many degrees Fahrenheit again?
350. Okay, just mix in this way. If you feel little hard, at this point you can add some buttermilk. No need of water. Okay. It will be in this way.
Mataji, should it be thick or batter?
Not too thick, Mataji, just like medium.
Like vada batter like that?
Yes, Mataji, like vada. Here I'm just adding little more butter, little bit. Here the consistency is not too thick, not too soft. So it is in this way, Mataji.
Like that?
Yes, not too thick, not too soft. Yeah, that is good. Everything is ready. Now you can take 3 cups, or if you want, you can have your use this this mold.
Oh, if I don't have mold, I'll just put it in some.
Yes, Mataji, in anything, in any bowl or anything, whatever oven safe bowl you can keep, anything is fine.
Yeah, bread mold is also fine, right?
Maybe like small katoris or something, if you have like glass bowls. So it is just like a muffin shape, right? So that's the reason. Otherwise, you can use like a pizza also.
Okay.
Just like pizza also, or otherwise in a muffin shape, as we mentioned. So it will be in this way. I'll just bring one plate. Okay, to add some ketchup, I'm just adding that ketchup, or some puree you can add. You can add like 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Just mix it. Now You can take any, like I just had this cupcake mouse. So some oil so that they'll be stable. Now, take the batter, whatever you have made. With the help of water or oil, just try to press it.
$350, right, Mataji? Fahrenheit
Yes, Mataji.
or more?
350 is fine, Mataji.
350. Okay.
Anjala? Em లేదు ఇందులో.
You'll get around like 6 or 7, I think so. I got like 4. I'm just doing. I have little more batter. So on the toppings, you can just add some more veggies, whatever you want, you prefer. And some cheese. And some chili flakes. This is optional based on the kids they eat. That you can add, otherwise you can skip this part. Okay. Yeah, in this way you can just keep them in the oven. It looks in this way. And once after baking, they come out in this way.
I should stay near your place, Mataji.
Usually, like Ekadashi kids, they'll be more hungry, right, Mataji? They want more tasty things like.
Yeah, Mataji, they want more things. We cannot
Right, so-
do more things.
Yeah. Buckwheat, how much did you add, Mataji?
1 cup, Mataji.
1 cup.
And already baked అయిపోయింది. Okay.
Bake it.
Prabhu is also making, huh?
Yeah, Mataji is helping me.
Who else are making?
Very nice, Mataji. Very nice.
Okay, Mataji. So
This is
before
so
baking, they look in this way, and after once you bake, they come in this way.
So how much minutes did you bake it, Mataji?
20 minutes, Mataji. 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay. And at what degree?
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Thank you, Mataji.
So whoever could not make today, they can make. Oh, nice, Mataji. Nice shape. Yeah, good. Came good.
No, it has to
Ready
be.
to bake. Yes, ready to bake. So once baking, you'll get in this way.
Oh, it's ready to bake. I was thinking how fast you bake.
Mataji is making in bread shape.
Mataji, from next time in Govinda class, whenever there is Ekadashi, we have a cooking class. Come and cook.
Sure, Mataji. I'll try to find out the recipes.
Yeah. Show Prithvilasini Mataji, show how is yours? Ready? Oh, you're
Ready to
making a
bake.
big loaf. Send it to me.
Because this is the only one I have. I neither have a pizza pan nor do I have muffin pan. So I have only a bread loaf pan. So I'm going to put it in that.
That's nice, Mataji. You can cut in this way, slices. Karthik, you want pizza? Pizza. Come here. Good. You got that? Vrunda is not helping you, Mataji, today. She'll be all the time excited. Today, Prabhuji is helping.
Mataji, could I ask a question?
Yes, Suraj.
My question is, instead of making it a muffin, instead of pouring it into a muffin pan, no, could you pour it into a pizza pan and make it pizza?
Yes, you can make it like a pizza also.
Okay, Mom.
The shape is your wish. Whatever way you want, you can do it. Okay. This will be easy. I thought like it will be easy for you to eat. So
Mataji, are you documenting all these recipes that you're teaching in Govinda class?
yes, Mataji, I'm doing.
Mataji, can you see with the background only I can show. I cannot show without background. Sorry. I put paneer on top. Preeti Vilasini Mataji said
How
paneer.
to take off your background? Mataji,
Nice,
can I
Not
help you
possible.
take off your background?
That is not possible.
It is
Already
possible.
baked, Mataji, or you're ready?
No,
to
because we cook a lot and then we have so much things in the kitchen that showing the kitchen is not possible.
bake?
Oh, okay.
The Mataji has revealed the secret. That's why somewhere on top.
See, Lord Narsiha helps her in all the ways.
Yeah.
I know. The camera is showing the roof. That's the reason.
Okay, but if you ever want to take off the background, click the
Okay.
arrow next to the video or the stop
Okay.
video button.
Mhm.
Okay, and go to virtual background, choose virtual background, and
Mm.
then pick your press none.
Oh,
Thank
thank you.
you,
Thank you.
Scientist in action.
Informative. Thank you
Our
so much.
scientist in action. Suraj the scientist.
Yes. Yes. He's one smart kid. Yes. I saw him in person. Back.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I saw Mataji on Saturday.
You're in the same place, Mataji, with where he is?
Yeah, we are,
Oh.
we are in the Bay Area, but of course, it's like each of our homes are very far away. But still.
Also, Mataji, you live near ISP?
No, I don't live very close to ISP. I live about an hour and 15 minutes from ISP.
Oh, okay.
But I live in the Bay Area. That's how I saw you.
Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes is fine, Mataji, for the baking.
Okay, so I think it's time. The Madhava kids are going to come now, right? Monday. So we'll have to-
Today is Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday. Okay, then no class after this. Vinita Mataji, we have to tell Guru Mataji not to send a reminder for Bhagavad Gita class. Yes.
Yeah, luckily she asked me. She asked if this class is still going. Then I said it's done. She's not
Okay. So
saying.
today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, in which world am I? So all of you can stay and even eat also on the call, no problem.
I can stop. We can stop the live and recording, Mataji. Then we can do all that what you said.
Yeah, I think Sita Priti Mataji has to go to school, right?
Yes.
Yes, I'll leave. Haribol.
She had to go.
Yeah.
Mataji,
Hare
have a good
Krishna.
day.
But we will stay, Mataji. I will show my pizza how it came. Mataji, you can also do your work, and then after my pizza is done, I will show you how it's.
Okay, sure.
I'll leave Mataji. Haribol.
I didn't do
Thank
it
you,
now, but I'm
Mataji.
having it for this dinner.
So I should stop the live and recording, right?
Yeah, I'm doing that, Mataji.
Oh, okay.